What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Got a little update video for us here on the 2011 Ford Escape V6. My half-sister's having some brake problems. Firestone replaced the front brakes and rotors. XLT. But she's still getting a funny squeaky sound. So, this thing, well, it still looks pretty clean. Alright, I told her I'd take it for a ride real quick. Dude, she got her bump and stereo put in here. That's a pretty clean kit. Pretty clean. You ought to see the freaking box in the back of this thing. It's huge. Check fuel fill inlet. What the hell? She's not got her fuel cap on good. Alright, so we'll do a little drive. We're going to check the brakes. See if we hear some squealing or some grinding. Man, this thing is so tight. Let's do a mileage check. I've only done one video on this one, I think. That's media, and that's all cruise control. There's got to be a button. Oh, it's down here. Okay. Sorry for all the wobbling. Okay, so down here you got your info. Press reset to clear. Okay. Almost 125,000 miles. 124.9. Wow, I just didn't remember it having that many miles. But this thing is really in great mechanical, solid shape for 125. I mean, it's tight. Listen, it doesn't rattle. I'm sitting here banging over these bumps in this awful driveway, and this thing doesn't even make a creak. And God almighty, it hauls ass. Woo! Man, she hauls butt. So I'm listening for squeaky and grinding brakes. Well, there's the squeak. But I bet you gotta get out here and get them warmed up before they're gonna make a grinded sound. Man, if I drove this car every day, my ass would be in jail. It's got the 3-liter V6, which was pumping out some ponies by 2010, 11, and 12. They had it at its max. I think it was about 220, 225. And these things aren't... I mean, I just spun... God dang, I just spun the freaking tire off. You know, these things aren't very big. They're just a little square box on wheels. But they are a hell of a square box on wheels. I know this is probably Mazda designed. I'm not real sure. Y'all comment below. Who designed the original Ford Escape? I know there was the Mazda Tribute. Was this a Mazda design? I'm feeling the engine is a Mazda engine. So... oh, boo. But yeah, I'm not real sure if this was Mazda design and Ford just put their name on it. I can't remember. We're gonna get out here and do us a couple little rips. See if I can keep these brake pads up. But yeah, this is the XLT. It's got a power glass moonroof, heated seats, full leather. Of course, the V6. In 09, they changed one huge improvement to the Escape was going from a 4-speed automatic to a 6-speed automatic. It makes all the difference in the world as far as the acceleration. Those 2 extra gears I mean, I think one's for down low, and then one's an extra overdrive. Oh, low fuel, 50 miles to empty. But it just gives the car that initial grunt off the line. And then at freeway speeds, it really cruises at low RPMs. I think 80, this thing's turning like 2,000 RPMs. It's really, really pretty good. Some rain out this way. Anybody on the lake tonight? No, don't look like no one's out there. Any boats? The Trump parade was out there, and of course, 2 or 3 boats sank. I think every time there's been a Trump parade on the boats on the lake, some boats have sank. I'm not saying I'm pro-Trump. I'm not saying I'm against him. I don't talk politics. This is what I think. Okay, I'll talk a little politics. This is what I think. I think we need somebody like Trump that's been to finishing school. I mean, he's almost like me, like a damn redneck. I mean, he's like a rich-ass redneck. Just runs his mouth, talks too much shit. I know he's probably racist and he's probably sexist and, probably not really, but he lets his mouth get the best of him. He's got a big freaking mouth. Like I said, I'm not talking politics. Our options are not very great right now. Somebody needs to step up and run. Somebody good. We need somebody good. And I don't mean damn Oprah Winfrey good. I mean, we need somebody good that is qualified. I mean, Senator McCain, I felt like was qualified. But, of course, he was older and now dead. I think Mitt Romney would have been, he's kind of a flip-flopper, but I think he would make it pretty good. I think he's a good man. I think he's a good morals, but, conservative, Republican, of course. I just kind of sit somewhere in the middle. I could almost get behind Joe Biden. Almost. There's just he's old and kind of forgetful and some of his policies and stuff, I don't know. I don't think he's the man for the job either. So, Ford Escape 2011 XLT 3-liter V6. I mean, listen. It's hooked up for Bluetooth. I don't even know how to turn the damn stereo on. But this thing is like nuts. So who are you guys voting for? Like I said, I'm not pro Joe. I'm not pro Trump. I'm just kind of sitting here scratching my head. You know, who do y'all like? Who would you vote for president? Also, I never heard these brakes scrub or grind. I think it's my half-sister's imagination. They're definitely squealing a little bit, but man, I'm standing on them awfully hard, and they are not scrubbing. I know one thing. I wish my dad would buy me a nice car like this. I mean, shit. She's so lucky they bought her a house. They bought her a car. I mean, a nice car. This is a nice-ass car. I like this car. I could drive this thing every day. It's got a new set of Firestone Destination LEs. Got new brakes. Been, tuned up, oil changed. And it's just a straight, clean car for the money. I think they gave about $7,000 for it, which I didn't think was too bad. It's a sweet little ride. Now, this guy cuts me off. Freaking punk-ass kids. Oh, he's in a new Sentra. I do like the new Sentra, though. See if anybody's on that side of the lake. That's where the ski jump is. Anybody out there? I don't think so. Yeah, I think she's running just fine. I think we don't have any brake problems. Gets my stamp of approval. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I read all comments. Please, y'all have a good evening. Stay safe out there. And we will see you with the next one. Peace. Man, she runs quiet. Not a hint of vibration. That is a darn good engine, man. Duratec 24 valve V6. Hell of a motor. Hell of a motor. Those wiring harnesses trick me out, though. She's got a blinker that's out. Let me try and figure out what's up there. Y'all have a good one.